Alright, let's make some Oat-Rice-Hemp milk flavored with saffron and Elaichi. Take 2 tablespoons of cooked red rice. I use rajmudi. 1 tablespoon of hemp hearts. 1 tablespoon of steel cut oats. 1 whole cardamom. You can put seeds instead also. A pinch of saffron strands. Jaggery as per your taste. You can also use dates instead or any other sweetener of your choice. A little bit of cold water at first. Blend well, very well till it's creamy. This smells so delicious. Add more cold water depending on your desired thickness. I did about 2 cups. Blend again. Pour over ice and serve cold. Optionally, you can strain the milk before you serve it, but I like the texture as it is. You can also have this milk hot instead of cold. Visit Veganosaurus.com for more recipes, workshops, and one-to-one dairy alternatives classes. Thank you for watching. Enjoy!